Hey guys, Mitch from Trek Pro City here. Just out with a little initial review on the new Switchblade. It's my new bike for the year. I've had it for about a week now. Got a few good rides on it. We're just going to go over some of the little details and then go for a ride on it. So just a quick overview of what's different on the parts-wise this year on the Switchblade. We won't go. This is not a tech review. We're just going to go for a ride here. But the new 36 with the new clamp system for the axle, the air release valves, new crown, new lower system. The new Fox transfer, which, I mean, I already thought the old one was one of the most reliable dropper posts we sold, so it's nice to see them improving upon a great design. DPX2 shock, which on some other bikes I've ridden this shock on, I've been fairly critical of it actually, but Fox and Pivot worked very closely with this bike and this shock, so it's got a DPX2 exterior, but it's not really a DPX2, so that's nice. Some nice compression upgrades on that. Other than that, the new Shimano 12-speed stuff, really wide range, new 4-piston Shimano XT brakes, which those feel fantastic. I'm a big fan of those. And my personal favorite wheels, DT Swiss Star Ratchet hubs, really dependable stuff. Alloy wheels, which is my preference. Yeah, that's about it for major changes. And then of course, yeah, over the previous Switchblade, I thought was one of the most fun bikes I've ridden around here in the local trails, but this new one is vastly improved its descending capability and still climbs just as well, I think. Real nice changes there. Like I was saying, this is my personal bike I've had for about a week here. I did spend several days on this bike down in Sedona this winter, and it was just fantastic there, and it's proving to be the same up here. All right, here we are. Just starting our breathless ascent for the day. Okay, getting partway up now. On a steeper, just past the steeper pitch now. Just like every Pivot I've ridden, these things, they just climb so nicely. Suspension does not bob, or well, the bob's kept to a minimum compared to a lot of other platforms I've had some time on. All right, further along, a few rock slabs. Traction's not too bad anywhere yet, actually. Seems like rocks and roots have dried up nicely already. Meanwhile, the dirt is just fantastic. One more tough piece of climbing. Everyone's favorite end, or start, to Huge Ribbon, I guess. End of breathless climb. All right. Okay, let's see how this thing rides. Looks pretty straightforward. Oh yeah. I haven't ridden that in forever. Whoa, fun. All right, starting the descent here on the new bike. Into grinder. Ooh, oh, a little hot. little ambitious jump there. Haven't been down here in a long time. Probably shouldn't go off this stuff blind, but I mean, oh, too late. Oh, forgot the line. Hop. One of the oldest and most fun trails at the dump. I love this trail. Woo. Woo. Oh man, this trail. Good times. This bike is handling everything really nicely. Oh, nice. Okay. Last bit of grinder. Oh, that tree's come down. Where's the line here? Oh, this thing is handling all this stuff really nicely. Very composed. Now this one, oh, I should... That's fun. Slow speed, technical rocks. There's a roll around here somewhere. There it is. Whoa, little slick. All right, an obligatory line here. Love this roll. So much traction today. Like getting pretty spotty, getting hard to see where we want to go. Oh, rocks are a little slick. That was slightly ambitious, but we got away with it. Surprisingly, I don't remember the line here. Wouldn't say that was the best one. Okay, try a little flow trail, see how it likes some berms. I'm gonna start with a little flat drop test here, see how this new rear shock tune handles that. Definitely nothing much of a landing here. Oh, yeah. All right, much better than any previous TX2. I would have ridden on something like that. And slow down. Woo! Oh, just about lost it in that corner. This bike is not sucking. Bye.